Good day, friends, subscribers, and internet strangers. So it's the next day, and we are still chasing Academy Sports. Someone asked if it's a southern chain. I'm assuming it is. There's 18 of them in Alabama. They're down here. So let's get started. So first things first, I've been driving a couple hours. It's raining today. What fun. Rain doesn't stop the bearded picker. Snow maybe, ice maybe, rain, heck no. So coming into Tuscaloosa, and I'm gonna scoop up my brother, Easy Money's Adventures. He changed it. He took a word out of his YouTube name, and that's all it took to confuse him. That's terrible, isn't it? So we're gonna pick up a few things that he didn't pick up at Academy Sports. I'm going to get some boxes because the van is not going to look like it did yesterday. In case y'all forgot what the picture is, I'll stick it in here again. And then we're going to go look at some Mercedes Sprinters because I have a feeling by the end of this year we'll be driving a Sprinter. So I know you can imagine a big Sprinter with a bearded picker all over it. That's going to be awesome, right? Yeah. So we'll get some footage of the first store. Big thing coming for some Nerf guns. He didn't want to lay out the money for these big Nerf guns, so but there's $70 profit per gun. I'm in. I was coming to Birmingham anyway, so Tuscaloosa is only about 40 miles. So hey, 40 miles for $600, $700, $800 profit in these Nerf guns. They're 50. They're selling for 160, and I believe there are 11 of them, 13 of them, something. He counted them. I forgot. So we'll see you in Academy Sports. Here, Hoover, Alabama. This one is not white. All right. So yeah, let's see what we can find here. I'll show you the van when I got the last one. I spent almost $1,000 at the last store. So this is store number 2 for today. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do 5 or 4. We'll get into that. The basket number 1 from this store. Got a bunch. I think I got 40 of these. Make $3 each on them. Hey, I got these Nike sandals. Before you say I wish I could sell Nike, hey, they were my size. $12.49. Is that awesome or what? Before you wish you say I could sell Tevas, these are my size. $14.39. Those are the $5 shoes to cut grass in. I don't care what I do with them. I don't care how ugly they are. $5 is $5. I bought a bunch of these Nike socks. Okay, now you can say I wish I could sell Nikes. Nerf rival guns. I got 2 of them. I got 3 of those. The guns are $10. Those are $6.50. Is there anything else? Oh, and I got just an absolute ton of the women's gloves. I don't know why they're getting rid of these, but they're $2.50 each. So. And those guns right there, that big Nerf rival gun, that is the reason I went all the way to Tuscaloosa. I got 11 of that big thing. Is that awesome or what? Oh, look, there's the cockpit of the super sourcing van. All right. Damn, not only is this one's 10 to 50% off everything, the store is closing. Man, I better get 2 baskets. If I'm getting 1 basket full and 2 baskets full at regular clearance stores, the whole store's on sale, hold back. The bearded picker is here. This just happened. All this was the same $2.50 I make three and a half on each one of these. The bullets, on the other hand, these were $2 1/4. They sell for $17. I got like almost 100 of them. They're in the bottom of this basket. I couldn't even get all the Nerf in one basket, so I had to go pay $260 for both baskets, and then I'm going back inside. All right, so that was store number 3 of the day, and it is actually closing. So I got halfway around, and I'm thinking, I was on the phone with Shane. I'm like, man, I am not gonna find squat here. The prices aren't as good on the clearance as they were. And then I ran around and found the Nerf. The Nerf had the same prices, except they were giving an additional 10% off. And they had tons. So I ended up, I'll show you the products here in the middle. I ended up filling the 4 baskets. I don't understand how I can get to the register and get everything in a basket and basket and a half, and need extra baskets to get it out of there. It's I know, right? Reseller problems, first world problems. Yeah, I know. This disease of retail arbitrage is so bad. Let's see. I'm gonna tell you what I had for breakfast. Oops, I didn't. I'm gonna tell you what I had for lunch. Oops, it's now 3 o'clock and I'm finally having to stop. So all right. Oh, what a great day. One more store and then home. I got a show to do tonight with the guys, so, and ladies. So yeah, let's get at it. Oh yeah, that is the back of the van you can see over there. Every time I stop, I had 4 boxes. I was gonna be great because these guns are so big, and then all of a sudden, yeah, that crazy store happened. So, woo, what fun! I love it. So it looks like it's time for another confessional video. Here I am getting home and the dark. I'd be so glad when daylight saving time comes, so 5:29 should not be dark. So I made it to 4 stores. Could not get to the 5th one. Spent a little bit too much time with my brother, which I don't regret. That's awesome. Time spent with family is great. That's why one of the great benefits of reselling full time is your time is your time. If you decide to change things up, you change things up. Every time I hit the brakes, stuff comes from the back. It's been an incredible day of buying stuff. A great day of profit. I only bought like 7 different items, maybe 8, and it's just been freaking amazing. Lost my train of thought. That was terrible, wasn't it? Please edit that out. Alright, so I'm still 40 miles from home, and I could not make the last. I could have got there before they closed, but I could not go to the last store and then do the Sunday night show. So commitments. Alright, I'll close this one out. I'll add up the receipts when I get home, tell you what I spent for this. The back is dang near 3/4 full. Alright. So that's what you need right there after a long 2 days of sourcing, is you need 20 of those to get this to get all this stuff to Amazon. You know, it's bad when all of a sudden I'm not driving the red van anymore, because every time you open the gate, 25-30 things fall out of it. So we're not doing that anymore. We switch folks. Hey, yes, I am looking for Bigfoot. If he's on the ground somewhere, I'm there. I won't be driving this, but I'm there. Alright, so it looks like I ended up spending $982 at the first stop. The second stop was $330. The third stop was $380. The fourth stop was $422. So a little under $2,000. So that is right at $4,000 spent in 7 stores in 2 days. awesome. I hope you got this video. I might try to make it a little different than yesterday's video. I just want to show you a lot more products and a lot of stuff I bought on this one, since I didn't show you in the last one. Today was a big day for Nerf. I'm going to do very well with Nerf. So yeah, I might go to one more, maybe tomorrow night, maybe Tuesday, but after that, that'll pretty much end, because then Wednesday with Johnny and chemo, and so that'll end my week. So I'll be shipping all week, so wish me luck. Thanks for watching. I hope that you've seen some products. You've seen a lot of method over 2 videos to a store. I've never even been in the store before. So, hey, you can do it. Get out there. Get after it. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Roll Tide.